So what is this GI microbiome everybody's talking about? Well, first of all, it's a pretty big deal. And it's one of the things that we focus on in my practice a lot because it has such a huge influence on your health. So your GI microbiome is comprised of trillions and trillions of different bacteria, viruses, yeast and fungi, bacteriophages, and even parasites. And the genes of your GI microbiome, the genes of these bacteria, outnumber your human cells by a factor of 10. So you're actually more bacterial than you are human. And the genes of the bacteria in your microbiome are influencing your human DNA expression and thus the biological functions of your cells. Pretty cool, huh? And it's really the balance of the bacteria within your GI microbiome that matters. Sometimes these bacteria and yeast can get out of balance, and that's when things start going awry. So it's really all about balance, and there's a lot of things that impact the balance of your GI microbiome, which I'll talk about later. Your GI microbiome greatly influences your nervous system, your immune system, and your endocrine system. So if you're having problems in these areas, you have to look at what's going on in your GI microbiome and have somebody kind of evaluate all the things that you may be doing from a lifestyle perspective that could be negatively influencing your GI microbiome. Your GI microbiome also produces 90% of your serotonin and dopamine, not your brain. And this is often one of the reasons why it is referred to as your second brain. And lastly, your microbiome can change throughout your lifetime depending on your diet, your stressors, activity, other environmental influences around you like toxin exposures, and even your very own thoughts.